Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the door strike on your dishwasher, you will need to pull the appliance a few inches out of the cabinet. Turn off the power to the appliance. Then use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the mounting screws, securing the lower access panels. Set both panels aside. Determine if the water and power supply lines provide enough slack to move the dishwasher. If not, you will need to fully uninstall the appliance. To do this, first shut off the water supply valve. Using a 5/8" wrench or an adjustable wrench, unthread the water supply line from the inlet valve fitting. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, unthread the screw to release the electric cover. Note the orientation of the power wires, then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Unthread the strain relief nut and detach the strain relief and power wires from the bracket. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and unthread the mounting bracket screws. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. Now carefully pull the dishwasher a few inches out of the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the door strike mounting screws. With the screws removed, you can lift out the old strike. Install the new door strike by inserting it through the slot in the tub and aligning it on the mounting pins. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Make sure the end of the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Replace the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or garbage disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Fully position the wires and strain relief in the bracket, then thread and tighten the strain relief nut. Secure the grounding wire with the screw. Join the black wires together and the white wires together and secure them with the wire nuts. Replace the electric cover and secure it with the screw. Reconnect the water supply line to the inlet valve fitting. Realign both access panels and replace the screws to secure. With the repair completed, turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.